To effectively use dependencies in ClickUp, follow these steps. Creating tasks. Create a new task. Navigate to your ClickUp workspace or project. Click the +Add Task button to create a new task. Add subtasks. If needed, break the main task into subtasks by clicking Add Subtask beneath the main task. Adding dependencies. Open the task. Open the task you want to add a dependency to by clicking on it. Adding dependencies. In the task details view, click on the dependencies section. Click Add Dependency. Select Dependent Task. A drop-down will appear where you can search for and select the task that depends on the current task or vice versa. Choose the desired task from the list. Set dependency type. After selecting the task, you can set the dependency type. Start after. The dependent task will start after the current task is completed. Finish before. The dependent task will be finished before the current task begins. Viewing dependencies. Once dependencies are set, they will appear visually in the task view, indicating the flow between tasks. Managing dependencies. Dependencies help streamline workflows by showing which tasks are reliant on one another. You can edit or remove dependencies at any time by accessing the dependency section within a task.